Just got the mower off, and here's where I am, in here. Full wet weather gear though. That's pretty heavy out there at the moment. It's still going to be able to mow it. It's just it doesn't look good. You know what I mean? It's just not a good look to mow in this. I'll just wait until it eases a little, and then I didn't get this off for nothing, and I didn't get dressed up for nothing. So I'm going to mow this lawn today. God, look at that up there. Oh my God, it's going sideways. Anyway, I can hide in here for 5 minutes. I've even got a seat. I'll sit on there. Bloody beautiful. Actually, it's just quite relaxing sitting here in the full wet weathers. In under here. Yeah. The good thing about Tasmania, you get these big flash bits of rain, but eventually it'll pass and I'll be straight out there mowing. Then I'll come back in here and I'll hide in here if I have to. But there you go. She's already passed.
I wish I could give you
I'm getting to it.
but you're my new favorite
Straight away.
drug.
Right. So 40 minutes later, after I've mowed the front, look at the weather now. That's blue. Blue sky. Sun. I mowed this in the rain. That's where I'm parked over in there. But yeah, I've nearly mowed it. Only got a little bit down there to go. And then I'll go around and mow the back. Alright, so now I'm around the back. And after 4 weeks, basically close to had it right, but it won't matter. We'll get it done. Gosh, now I find myself back in here and it's absolutely hammering down with rain again. So much of that blue sky that was here 40 minutes ago, I'm back in here. I'll just have to wait, see the front bouncing off the front of the car. Oh, what a terrible day. Anyway, I've mowed the lawn. I've just got to figure out how to get that on without getting a drink. I just have to wait again. Just thought I'd show here, this is for David, this is showing. See that little thing there? It keeps falling off, it vibrates off. So I'm not sure how to keep that from popping off its little thing there. So as I do, I'll just tie it on here temporarily with this whippersnipper cord. That's the sun I need. Oh. Ooh. Got excited. The sun come out for a split second. Yeah, so I've got that much now. I'm moving along quite well. Started right up under that rose. Now, still going. Here comes that rain again. But, I've got this area done in that bucket. I've been sitting in there. Now I'm going to go up in here, it's more open. Be a bit easier. God, look at this crap out here. Raining literally sideways. There's a little bit of blue in the sky too. What's going on? I don't know how the rain goes sideways like that, but oh geez, that won't help. Bloody terrible weather. Spring weather. Sun, rain, sun, rain, sun, rain all day bloody long. You could almost write a song about that. So I'll get to it.